In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join ranges and collect distinct values from offsheet ranges in Smartsheet so you can consolidate information from multiple sheets into one location. First, open the sheet where you want to display the combined data. This will serve as your master sheet. Next, click the cell where you want to bring in data from another sheet. Right-click the cell and select Link from Cell in Other Sheet. Now, choose the source sheet that contains the data you want to pull. Select the required cells or range and click Create Link. The data will now be connected to your master sheet. Repeat this process for any additional sheets or ranges you want to include. You can link names, emails, project details, or any other information stored in separate sheets. Once all the required ranges have been linked, review the data to make sure everything appears correctly and updates as expected. If you need to display only unique values, use a distinct formula if available in your Smartsheet plan, or apply filtering methods to remove duplicate entries from the combined data. As the source sheets are updated, the linked values in your master sheet will update automatically, helping keep your information accurate and centralized. Combining offsheet ranges is a great way to build master lists, create consolidated reports, and manage data across multiple sheets without manual copying and pasting. That's it. You've successfully joined ranges and collected values from offsheet ranges in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.